In today's video, I will walk you through how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5. Start by opening the MetaTrader 5 application on your desktop or mobile device. Once the platform has loaded, go to the top left corner and click on Market Watch. Inside the Market Watch window, right-click anywhere in the list to open the available options. From the menu that appears, select Symbols. This will open the Symbols window where you can search for the trading instruments available through your broker. Now use the search option to look for the cryptocurrency you want to add. For example, you can search for BTCUSD if you want to add Bitcoin against the US dollar, or ETHUSD if you want to add Ethereum. Type the symbol into the search field and wait for the matching results to appear. When you find the cryptocurrency pair you're looking for, select it. After selecting the symbol, click Show. Once you do that, the selected cryptocurrency pair will be added to your market watch list. You can repeat the same process for any other cryptocurrency symbols you want to display. Simply search for another symbol, select it, and click Show to add it to the list. After adding the cryptocurrency to Market Watch, return to the main MetaTrader 5 window. You'll now be able to see the cryptocurrency pair in your Market Watch panel. If you want to place a trade, go to the Tools menu. From there, select New Order. The order window will open. Choose the cryptocurrency pair that you want to trade. Next, enter the trading volume. After that, set your stop loss if you want to use one. Then enter your take profit level. Once those settings have been completed, decide whether you want to place a buy order or a sell order. Click the appropriate option to submit your order. After completing these steps, you'll have successfully added the cryptocurrency to your market watch list and placed a trade using MetaTrader 5. If you want to trade a different cryptocurrency later, simply return to the Symbols window. Search for the new symbol, click Show, and it will be added to your market watch list the same way. Keep in mind that the cryptocurrency pairs available inside MetaTrader 5 depend on your broker. Before searching for a cryptocurrency, make sure your broker supports cryptocurrency trading so the symbols are available to you. That's all there is to it. Open MetaTrader 5, access Market Watch, right-click and choose Symbols, search for the cryptocurrency you want, click Show to add it, return to the platform, open the New Order window, choose your crypto pair, enter your trading settings, and place either a buy or sell order. That's how you can add crypto in MetaTrader 5. Thank you.